right, people. We are up here on the 17th floor of the Prince Waikiki Hotel in Honolulu, Hawaii. We're in the Ala Moana Tower. There's two towers here. We have some pretty epic glass elevators here. But that's not what I'm filming today, because we are actually staying here tonight. And you know what that means? I gotta show you all my room here. I find the layout of this place really fascinating. But with that said, our room tonight is 1721. So let's go. Door's a little rough, but let's look at the evacuation map here. It's definitely not the biggest building. That's why there's two towers. There's only two service elevators. So let's look at our security features. We have this up here and the deadbolt. Over here, here's the closet, which comes with a pretty good stock of coat hangers and some robes. You got a hair dryer up here. Extra blanket by the looks of it. Here's the iron and the ironing board. Suitcase rack. Oh, these are slippers. Two pairs of slippers down there. Very nice. A very nice and spacious closet, definitely. Let's get a look at the bathroom. Yeah, this bathroom is crazy. Huge. Single-handedly one of the biggest bathrooms I've ever seen in a hotel. Got a makeup mirror, hand towels, and we have two sinks. So we got Kleenexes. Oh, wow. This lights up. We got a water glass right here. Water pressure seems good. Let's test the hot water. It's taking a second to warm up. There we go, now it's warm. Okay, I need to... That was left closed, so we'll drain that. We got some bar soap. Body cream right here. Second sink, basically the same setup minus the Kleenexes. Extra toilet paper. That's just the plumbing. Lots of space underneath here for some extra towels. There's some washcloths. Very nice looking shower with a pretty good stock of towels. It comes with conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. All around, looking pretty good. Shower curtain. And then in here, the commode, which has a bidet from what I can tell. It's a Toto. Oh goody, I don't know if I'd want to use that. I'm not fond of bidets quite yet. Actually, that's probably just because I've never used one. Still, very cool. But yeah, a huge, huge bathroom. I'm overall super impressed by the looks of this. So now we'll get a look at the rest of the room here. It's a 2-queen room with 2 queen beds. All around very spacious, and I really like the looks of it so far. Usual mirror over here. We got the luggage racks and stuff where all our stuff is. 2 water bottles, complimentary. There is a mini fridge down here. Looks clean. That's not opening for some reason. Oh. Down here we got coffee making supplies. Coffee maker, coffee packets. Oh, and that just fell, whoops. We got 2 coffee cups. We got a kettle and tea packets and some sugar. Oh, here we go. We got the ice container, 2 extra glasses, some ice tongs, a bottle opener. And the safe is built into this. I have never seen that before. That is very fascinating. A built-in safe. Very big drawers. I like that. We got a big Samsung flat screen TV. There's the remote. Small little desk over here. Nice lamp. We got trash and recycling down here. There's also an outlet over here. Chair and an extra coffee table. Get a look outside. Phenomenal view. A mix of both the ocean and the rest of Honolulu. I tell you, Honolulu's skyline, it is way bigger than you may think. Honolulu is a much bigger city than you may think. All around a fantastic view. Now we'll get a look at the beds. The nightstand first. We got USB outlets and a USB-C outlet right there. We got a notepad and a pen. Rather outdated phone. It is showing the correct time though. It's off by 2 minutes though. We have what looks like a flashlight. You got a Bible. So yeah, I'm liking the look of the beds. Background's really nice. Before we look at the beds, here's the thermostat set at 70 right now. All right, I'm taking my shoes off. Now we got to see how these beds feel. This pillow's nice. This mattress is a little firm, but feels comfy. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep on it. And I don't think there's any cleanliness issues to report. I ain't seeing anything right now. I'll have to update. And now, probably the coolest part is the blinds. Because they're controlled by this. This, I believe, is just... Or, hold on. This is the blackout curtains. Yeah. Ain't that just legit super cool? Went a little over. Let's see here. Let's bring this up. Can you not do both? Okay, that's interesting. Let's bring them both back up. Do they come up at the same time? Oh, no, they don't. I don't know, that controller looks a little finicky. Let me see. Oh, okay. Yeah, the button's not very responsive. So that's a little bit of a flaw, but not too big of a deal at this stage. But otherwise, I mean, I'm super impressed with this room so far. It's flawless. I don't see any cleanliness issues. All around, this looks like a fantastic room. This was definitely on the expensive side, but boy, oh boy, I'm excited for what this stay will bring. So if you're in Honolulu and want to stay in Waikiki, I'd say this is the ideal place. It's not in the prime location. Like, it's on the very northern tip of Waikiki, so not the greatest walkable distance to like the Royal Hawaiian Center or stuff like that. But all around, this is a fantastic looking room. So I think I've showcased just about everything, so I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up this room tour. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. But all around, hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a happy new year, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.